One day, APJ Abdul Kalam's teacher came to his school and he asked him. The new teacher could not stomach a Hindu priest's son sitting with a Muslim boy. See, actually in the school they won't discrimination about casteism. But here one of the new teacher came to his school and he did not tolerate. Here he used that could not stomach. Could not stomach means could not tolerate. Okay. So especially those were people sitting beside the Muslim students. So he could not tolerate that one. In the accordance with our social ranking, as the new teacher saw it, I was asked to go and sit on the back bench. Okay, in that teacher is told to them, and you should go and sit there. I felt very sad when he discriminated in that classroom, and when he sent to back APJ Abdul Kalam, he was sad. And so did Ramananda Shastri. He looked utterly downcast as I shifted to my seat in the last row. The image of him weeping when I shifted to the last row left a lasting impression on me. So when they sent him, so he was suffering sad, and again he got a fed up. The image of him weeping, he was crying, and he shifted to the last row, left a lasting impression on me. So when he was got impression, so when the teacher sent back afterwards, he didn't get the impression. After school, we went home and told our respective parents about the incident. What happened that incident? APJ Abdul Kalam and along with his friends, they went to home and they told what happened that incident. They told about that incident. Lakshmana Shastri summoned the teacher. Already you know the Lakshmana Shastri, okay, APJ Abdul Kalam's friend's father. He summoned means called the teacher, and in our presence told the teacher that he should not spread the poison of social inequality and communal intolerance in the minds of innocent children. Here, Lakshmana Shastri is scolded him. Okay, you don't do like this. Okay, it is not correct way to keep the student's mind. So you should give good thing. So you should don't give the poisonous thing. He said. He bluntly asked the teacher to either apologize or quit the quit the school and the island. Okay, actually in that island they are living in that island. So Lakshmana Shastri told either you quit the job, otherwise you should ask apology. Apology means sorry. Not only did the teacher regret his behavior, okay, he himself only he accept that one, and he regretted. But the strong sense of conviction Lakshmana Shastri conveyed ultimately reformed this young teacher. Here, what is the meaning of conviction? Conviction means a strong opinion or belief. Afterwards, Lakshmana Shastri believes him, and it never happened that incident in that school. I always sat in the front row next to Ramananda Shastri. Let's take this picture here. Okay, first Ramananda Shastri, okay, next APJ Abdul Kalam, and his two friends. Okay, they sat beside the APJ Abdul Kalam. On the whole, the small society of Rameshwaram was very rigid. What is the meaning of rigid? Rigid means very strict. In terms of the segregation. Segregation means separation of different social groups. However, my science teacher, Shiva Subramanya Iyer, okay, he is a science teacher of in that school. Okay, his name is Shiva Subramanya Iyer. Though an Orthodox Brahmin with a very conservative wife. Conservative wife means she is very always she is discriminating with other people. And then here was something of rebel. He did his best to break social barriers so that people from wearing backwards could mingle easily. Actually, he is, belongs to the Brahmana family, but here he is going to mingle with all families because of he wants to destroy the social discrimination, means social barriers. That people from wearing backwards could mingle easily. He used to spend hours with me and would say Kalam. Always his teacher, he is the best teacher of APJ Abdul Kalam. Always he is going to call Kalam. I want you to develop so that you are on par with the highly educated people of the big cities. What is the meaning of on par with means at the same level. So here they are taking separation from that other caste. So I don't want that type of situation. You should mingle with all people and you should grow with highly. You are a educated people. You should follow these things. One day he invited me to his home. One day Shiva Subramanya Iyer was invited APJ Abdul Kalam for a meal. His wife was horrified at the idea of a Muslim boy being invited to dine in her ritually pure. Ritually pure means kept protected from all outside influences for the observance of a religion. If they come Muslim or other people, so she did not tolerate that one. She refused to serve me in her kitchen. When she saw him, she didn't serve the food for him. Shiva Subramanya Iyer was not perturbed. Perturbed means upset. Okay. Nor did he get angry with his wife. He didn't get angry with his wife, but instead served me with his own hands and sat down beside me to eat his meal. He didn't get any angry, but he started to sit beside APJ Abdul Kalam. His wife watched us from behind the kitchen door. See, you can see here. This is the next incident. So when they were eating meal, so she was only watching them. I wondered whether she had observed any difference in the way I ate rice. Actually, they served rice, okay, themselves, and again she was watching. So how they are going to eat. Drank water after he ate the rice and he drank water or cleaned the floor after the meal. Usually those who are Muslim students always they are what they will do, they will eat clean. Okay, so here also APJ Abdul Kalam also he did same thing. Shiva Subramanya Iyer invited me to join him for dinner again. Okay, first day he upsetted by his wife, but here Shiva Subramanya Iyer again he invited him for dinner after 1 week. Observing my hesitation. Hesitation means doubt. Hesitation, he told me not to get upset. Okay, his teacher told you don't get upset from this situation, you should be calm. Saying once you decide to change the system, so you and me also we want to go to change the system. When I visited his house the next week, Shiva Subramanya Iyer's wife looked me inside her kitchen and served me food with her own hands. Okay, first time she didn't serve, next time she served the food. Okay, when she served that food, okay, he was happy. And this is the third video. We can take next video and we can get more information about that my childhood. Okay, dear students, you should watch this video and you should understand the topic. Okay, thank you one and all.